Can I bring full-size shampoo in my checked luggage?
Hello, Jetsetters. Today, we're tackling a question many of you have asked. Can I bring full-size shampoo in my checked luggage? Understanding the rules of air travel can be tricky, but don't worry, we're here to help make things clear.
What's the general rule?
The simple answer is, yes, you can bring full-size shampoo in your checked luggage. According to the regulations of most airlines and the Transportation Security Administration, TSA, in the United States, there are no volume restrictions on liquids, aerosols, gels, or creams packed in checked bags.
Are there any exceptions?
Despite the general rule, it's important to be aware that certain exceptions apply. For instance, if your shampoo is a prescription medication or if it's considered a hazardous material, special rules may apply. So, always check with your airline if you're unsure.
Any tips for packing shampoo in checked luggage?
When packing full-size shampoo in your checked luggage, it's wise to take a few precautions to prevent leaks and spills. Securely close the bottle, consider using a plastic bag for extra protection, and place it away from delicate items in your luggage. This way, you can ensure your clothes and other belongings stay clean and dry during your journey. So, there you have it. Feel free to pack your favorite full-size shampoo in your checked luggage next time you travel. But remember to pack smart and always double-check with your airline if you have any doubts. Safe travels and see you in our next video.